Ringside Collectibles Figure Insider. Let me ask you a question. Are you the champ? Do you just want to let everybody know, but maybe you can't wear your belt around all the time? Well, I've got a solution for you. Ready? Here it is. Wha-bam! It's your very own WWE Championship belt buckle. These things are amazing. It comes in 3 different varieties, as you see. You've got the WWE World Heavyweight Champion. You've got the WWE United States Champion. And last but not least, the NXT Champion. These things are amazing. They do look just like the belts, and they're just micro versions. And they clip onto the front of your pants or onto your belt, but you could be the champ anywhere you want. Pick up these WWE belt buckles from Jakks, available on Ringside Collectibles, WrestlingFigures.com, home of the largest selection of wrestling figures and accessories on the internet.